Well, this afternoon, some of the greatest minds in the tech industry are meeting to show off some new gadgets at Petco Park. The event is called Innovation Day. Last year, it brought in about 3,600 people. I spoke with one company that is attending this year's event, talking about their efforts to create the future.
If you have any more questions or need further information, I'm here to help.
San Diego has a history, at least in the minds of investors, of being a sleepy beach town with surfers and SeaWorld, and there's this really fantastic innovation community here that's doing everything from life sciences to hard tech to space to defense, and the world's starting to recognize it.
I support individuals experiencing loneliness, assist those on the autism spectrum.
When you think about creating the future and innovating the future, this really shows how San Diego is on the forefront of a lot of what's next in the world.
Absolutely. I mean, the cutting edge technologies that are coming out of San Diego are extremely impressive, and like I say, they cut across all different areas, which for our macro economy we feel is very important. Really putting together a microcosm of the entire region's innovation community in one place where people can come out, feel it, touch it, and experience it.
This event really gives emerging San Diego companies a chance to show off what they're working on. Companies like Truvian, which is about to start FDA clinical trials on this new blood testing machine. They think it's going to revolutionize healthcare.
In under 30 minutes, we deliver 34 of the most routinely ordered blood tests.
How innovative is this when you think about what it can do for healthcare going forward?
Right. Well, so today, over 70% of medical decisions are made based on lab tests, and the current infrastructure and how we process blood tests is, very burdensome. It's very inconvenient. There's a lot of steps. It's costly, and then at the end of the day, you're not with your doctor when you get your results. And so we really developed this company to change all of that.
At the end of the day, we all become great users and consumers of healthcare when we actually have been empowered with the data that tells us what to do about our health.
And there's a huge epidemic in chronic disease in this country, and having access to blood testing and knowing your data can really inform you in terms of how you live a healthier life.
It's a pretty cool event and lots of amazing stuff to look at. If you're interested in attending, the big Innovation Day is today at Petco Park. You still have time to buy a ticket online. They start around $25. The event runs from 2 to 7:30 this evening. And remember, if you have any story ideas for me, shoot me an email, jared.aarons@10news.com, or you can scan the QR code on your screen. I cover healthcare impacts, biotech, local technological breakthroughs, hospital systems, anything where healthcare and bio and tech intersect. Also the Poway Unified School District.